Hello, Shopify store owners. Hope you are doing great. Hope you are making a lot of money from your Shopify stores. This is once again your host Bilal with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can sort your collection products automatically without you adding any manual effort. What do I mean by that? Let me explain you. So let's suppose you have hundreds of products on your stores, and every week or every other day, you're adding new products and the old products are being sold and they are getting low in inventory. And that's a continual process which happens on every store, right? But what you have to do in this process, you'll have to manually sort the products, manually pull up the products which are high inventory and pull down those products which are low in inventory. That's a lot of pain, right? What if you could have an app that will do all of that stuff automatically? That's what I'm going to teach you guys. In this video, I'm going to review an app called SortWise Collection Sort, which is going to automate all of that stuff for you. And there are a ton of features in this app. And the good thing about that it is also available with a free usage as well. So the app I'm talking about is
SortWise Collection Sort. So that's the app name. And the good thing is that the free plan is also available and it's like completely free, I would say. So if I go to the pricing section, you can see that you have 500 sorts per month, 500 orders per month, which is more than enough for a small store. So I don't think you will need to update to a paid tier unless you are getting a lot of orders. Obviously, if you're getting 1,000 plus orders, then $9 isn't a problem for you to paying up. So only thing which is not free in this app is the product meta field sorting. Other than that, you are getting most of the stuff in this app completely for free. So definitely try that out.
Now let me show you what are the features and how you can actually sort your products and what are the cool features in this app. So as you can see on this screenshot, here is the dashboard of the app where you will see all of the collections and you can enable the sorting functionality of this app. Now I've already installed that on my development store and that is my dashboard. And I have few collection on my store. So if I go to collections, in this app, we can see that I have these 4 collections. And now in the men's t-shirt, if I want to add a sorting functionality, all I have to do is just click on this collection. And you can see that the products are showing up here. Currently it is disabled, but we can simply click on enabled and enable the automatically sorting functionality. So it is going to automatically sort my products on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whatever setting you add in, it will automatically add the sorting feature and you can sort every hour or you can sort specific hour as well. And so these are the strategies which is in this app. So I'm going to click on existing strategy. And here's the strategy, sorting strategy, which is basically going to highlight new arrivals of your store and those products which are high in inventory. This app has multiple strategies. So it is going to feature new and high revenue products,
Showcase products with high variant availability,
showcase deeply discounted clearance items, all of these strategies which you can add on every single collection. So this is the one collection. You can simply go back and add in those strategy for every single collection separately. You can also create your own custom strategy. So if I enable that, click on the collection and then click on collection specific strategy, you can basically add the sorting groups, new products, attribute metric, smart sort, AI rank, or you can also create your own custom rule. So if I click on custom rule, you can see that these are the conditions which are showing up. So I will just need to select all of these conditions and there are a lot of conditions. So let's suppose you want to sort the products with a specific tag or you want to sort the product with a specific vendor, with a specific product type, created at, updated at. I mean, there are a lot of logic in the strategies which you can create in the custom strategy. And you can also set the product limit. So if I enable this, you have this number where it will only sort these products that are like in this number, like 50, or you can set it to 5 or set it to 10, just like that. And this is products in the rule will be sorted by which are published at, which are newest first. So a lot of advanced strategies which you are getting in this app. So this custom rule will only be applied to the first top 5 product of the collection. Now, if you have like 10 products in your collection and you want to apply a different rule after initial 5 products, you can then add another sorting group and you can set it by attributes. You can do it smart sort AI rank. So that is also a really good, which is going to do the smart sort with AI. Now let's add for now to show this example. I'm going to add another custom rule. Now, again, these are the conditions and here is the product limit. So the first custom rule is for the first 5th product. And then the second custom rule is for the products which are after the first 5th products. So it is a super advanced strategy adding type which you can add on this app. And that is the schedule of the sorting. So I have currently set it to custom. So it is going to run the sort every hour on these days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And by default, it is going to check the settings of the default app settings. So if I open up the settings, let me open up in a new tab. You can see that here we have defined the default sort schedule, meaning it is going to automatically sort every hour on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or you can define your own specific hour as well if you want to. Now, this is the look back period. Now, if you don't know what is the look back period, let me explain you that. So if we go back to the strategies again and open up the custom strategy, here we have these product attributes and here we have the product metrics. Now, if you want to sort the product based on revenue, based on number of sales, based on conversion, units sold or views, the look back period for these metrics, revenue, number of sales, conversion, is currently set to 14 days. You can set this to 30 days, to 90 days, to 180 days, meaning it is going to check those products revenue or number of sales for the last 14 days, the look back period, and then sort these products and match the rule for this strategy. And other than this default look back period, you can also add the custom look back period on every single collection. So we are on this sorting of one single collection. You will just enable that and you can set up the custom look back period for this specific collection, right? Now also let's test it to see how fast it is. Now here we have these 3 products. I am going to basically change it to this. So that is the first product, that should be the second product, and that should be the third product in my collection. I'm gonna hit save and then click sort. Now it is going to take a second and now sorting is completed. Now let's open up my men's shirts collection to see if the sorting has been completed. I'm going to open the development store in a new tab to see if it is showing up. Okay, so that was the collection, men's t-shirts. And here you can see that this is the first, second, third product as per this sorting which we have done. Right? Let's try changing that. I'm gonna pull up the green shirt first, click save, and then click on sort again. Sorting is completed. So that's my collection. I'm going to hit refresh. And there you go. So it's doing that all super fast in the runtime. Now you can enable the strategies all at once as well if you want to. So if you go back to collections, I can simply check mark this here. And then from these 3 small dots, enable selected, and it is going to enable the sorting on all of the collection with these strategies mentioned. So on this collection, it is highlighting new arrivals in high inventory. Similarly on this collection as well. And this is the collection specific strategy, which we have custom collection specific strategy, which we have added. And this is again highlight new arrivals and high inventory for this collection here. So I'm just going to click on sort all and it is going to sort all of the collection within a second. There you go. So all of the collection has been sorted with these strategies mentioned. And there's also a really cool layout. If you click on this pin collection here, pin products, you can see the visual layouts as well. Let's do on this one here. So pin products, you can see that we have this cool looking visual layout, which we can again drag and drop, and we can see the fields which we want to. If we click on fields, we can simply check mark this to see the other fields on these products. Right? And we can similarly sort it in a graphical interface. Click on save and then click on sort. One more thing I would like to show you guys in the strategies. So if I click on strategies, these are all of the strategies which is currently created by app automatically. So these are pre-created strategies. If you want to create a strategy based on meta field, what you can do is register a meta field in settings. So if I go to settings and in the meta fields, you can add the meta field. So let me add one of the meta field. I'm going to add this custom product batch meta field to show you guys how it's going to work. So I'm going to click on select, and now we can create a custom strategy with the meta field condition. So if I go back to strategy, click on create new strategy and go to add the custom rule. Here in the product match, we will get the attributes, and here we have our meta field. So the meta field which we selected is now showing up. We will simply select and then add the condition. If it equals to whatever the value is, it is going to function this strategy, right? And there's also another strategy which is based on AI. So it is automatically smart sort based on the AI working behind the app. And it is going to do these based on this attribute. It is going to run automatically and sort your product. So that's also a really cool feature. One other thing I would like to show, again, a lot of features in this app, and the free tier for 500 sort a month, really awesome. Make sure to try that out. One other feature, and then I'll end the video because I don't want to bore you guys. So let's go back to the dashboard and click on collections. And here we have the option to show the analytics. So if I click on view analytics, it is going to show you the impression, clicks, click-through rate, conversion rate, and the revenue which you have generated for every single collection. It is not showing any data yet because I am testing that on a development store and I don't have any products, but in your live store, it is going to display you all of the analytics related to the collection. And I think that's it for the video. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to create a follow-up video, or if you have any questions, or if you have any confusions installing the app or anything like that. You can click on help here and you will find all of these frequently asked questions, or you can simply contact support by clicking on this button here, fill up the form, and the support team will get back to you as soon as possible. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below. Until next video, have a great day.